So hi guys, this is the Patio Fire we grew in January. It has grown really well over 18-20 inches tall now. And the reason I've got the tennis ball in my hand is just to give you a size reference. Look how well and how tall these have grown. Now it was supposed to be a dwarf plant, so I was expecting to be only about that tall, but it's gone a bit bigger. Flower buds are starting to appear now on the top, which is fantastic. And also lots of side shoots are starting to come out, so it's going to get really bushy. Now we want to repot these into larger pots because most of the nutrients in these run and finish now, so they are going to go into a pot this size. Now with these, depending on how bushy and big they get, they might need to in the future go up one more size in pot, but we'll see how that goes. So for now, they're going to get a sudden boost energy and nutrients from this new soil. Fill, put that in there, just check the height. That's lovely, perfect. Give this a squeeze, and these stems are strong enough now. You can just pull it straight out. There we are. Look at that root system. Absolutely beautiful, fantastic. Plonk that in the middle and then backfill all around. Now I find from growing chilies in the past, the more heat you can give them, heat as in temperature, higher, better summer, the better they do. Now some of these I'm going to keep indoors all the time, and some are going to be hardened off and acclimatized to be outside. Now here in the UK, the nighttime temperature is still very cold, first week of April, so we have to get this climatized. In a few weeks time, when it's taken to this pot, I am going to start leaving the window wide open. These are going to stay on the windowsill, so they get a little bit cooler temperature. Keep an eye on the outside temperature, and warm nights they'll be outside. Really cold nights, bring them back onto the windowsill, and so on. And once we are happy with the outside temperature consistently being, I would say 14 and higher, these can stay outside. Now to water, final part, here we are, done. Gently water on top, or leave it soaking in some water for a couple of hours and then take them out. If you haven't done already guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that notification button, because we're going to take these all the way to fruit picking, and you can see when it comes to fruit picking time. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye for now.